Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is RheaRenée here, back with another video. Today, as you can see from the title, we're looking at how to contour and highlight your face, how to get that slayage. And I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I was as thorough as I possibly could be. We ran into a little bit of issues along the end, but you know, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, or share. If you're new here, welcome. We welcome you. Please subscribe on your way out and you know, enjoy. Bye. Okay, so usually when I am going to contour my face, the first thing I look at is, you know, how does my face look naturally without makeup? Like, where does the light hit? Where, you know, where is more prominent? And for me, that would be like this area, my cheeks, and like right here. And that is kind of the base of how I would do it. Right now, I just have on my primer, my moisturizer, and I did my eyebrows off camera. And today I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. And the color I'm using is Golden Deep. So I'm just going to go on and put on my foundation first, and then we'll get into the gist of contouring and highlighting. So as you can see with this foundation, it looks a little bit brighter, but then it oxidizes and it looks nice and darker. And I think L'Oreal is a good brand. I've been testing it now for the past 2 months or so, and it's very lightweight. So then I need to let it dry. That's another thing. I let my foundation dry before I try to put any more product on top of it, because then it looks kind of sounds like it looks a little muddy when you want to make it look nice and seamless. So. Okay. The next thing that I would do is I will then put on my eye makeup. So now that's done. The next thing we're going to look at is highlighting. So what I usually like to do, and this is something I only started doing recently, is I like to use 2 different types of highlighter, because I like it to look you know, as fresh and refreshing and youthful under the eye area as possible, as well as the forehead area. These are the ones that the 2 ones I like to use by LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one on the top is Toffee, and the second one here is Expresso. And those are the ones that I'll be using to highlight in the area, which is basically to bring forward the face some more, or make it look a little bit more noticeable. So what I do is I use the Expresso first, and I will literally like do some small strokes, so nothing too crazy, because you're going to blend it out. And I don't take it all the way into the eye, because sometimes that causes like creasing. I just give it a small amount and I just spread it. And as you can see, I have a mole here, and I try not to cover my mole whenever I'm wearing makeup. And I can cover my mole, that's just an indication that it's too much makeup going on. And I will also put some in the forehead area, as I said before, the areas that would be highlighted. Put a little bit here and on my chin area. Here. This is what I want to highlight. And then I'm gonna blend this out using my Real Techniques brush. I've been working the hell out of this brush, and I just make sure it's wet, and I just dab it up. Or dab it into the skin, I should say. Not out, in. Dab it into the skin. Make sure it's nice and blended. And as you can see, I'm not like smearing or, okay. I'm gonna take the end of the brush push it all the way up to the eye area. So I get it in there. I've seen some other tutorials where people like put a lot, but for me it doesn't work on my skin. If I try to put a lot, it looks blotchy. It doesn't look nice and seamless when I use a lot of product. So I tend to not use a lot of product. Just move this out. So yes. Okay, there you go. So this is the color that I use for my contour, and what I'll do is I will put it around the perimeter of my face as well as my cheek area, because I want it to look more chiseled, because I got like a little fat face going on, you know, that chubby wubby look. So I just want to make it look as slender and as sleek as possible. So I'll use the darker color, which is not a match for me, and I'll put it under in the area. So I'll just show you right now. So for me, what I do is this. I literally come like this. I go in and okay guys, so this is the final look. My camera actually started to overheat so I wasn't able to show you guys the finishing look of what I do to finish it. Like basically put on my bronzer, I put on my my highlight, I went on and put my lashes on, because remember I said I'm going to make a greater effort to wear lashes all the time, you know, to finish the look. I also went ahead and I finished up the contour. I put some lipstick on my lips, like my lips. I'm pretty much done. Like, you know, thank you so much for sticking it out. And if you have any questions about what I did, please be sure to drop me a question below in the comment box, in the comment section. Get in that comment section. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, I'm gonna put everything that I used. I'll put most of the things that I use in the description box below. And I really look forward to seeing you guys again. So thank you so much for sticking out with me.